Now that we've imported all the images successfully into our project, we're ready to move into the project to start building the team structure within eZsports. So let's go ahead and click on the Go to Project button at the bottom. And that starts us off to start building our team structure. So initially you'll see this Team Add dialog where we're going to actually start building our team structure and dragging and moving the team image and individual images into what we might refer to as like a folder structure. So the first team that we're going to work with, I'm just going to call this baseball. And hit my return key. And the way this works is the large yellow area with the multiple heads on it says drag team image here. The little film strip of multiple images is where we drag all the individuals to build our team structure. So I'm going to click on the team image of the baseball team, drag it on top of this icon here, and then I'm going to just select, shift, click, and select all my individuals and drag them onto the individual icon. And now my first team structure has been built. Now I'm ready to move on to building my my next group, so I'll click Add. The next group is Golf. I'm just going to kind of move through this so you can see how easy it is. Okay, drag my team image for Golf down, drag my one individual onto the individual icon, and the first one, my Golf one is done. Click Add, and we're going to do Soccer. Hit the Save button and grab my soccer team image, and then shift click, select all the individuals that are associated to this soccer team. And the last one I'm going to do is track, and we're going to go ahead and grab our track team image, drag it down, and select all those individuals and move those into the appropriate team. Okay, so now we built our team structure for eZsports. And to look at what we've done, if we click on the baseball team, we can see those are the individuals that are associated to it. Golf, there's our soccer group and individuals, and track. If for some reason we had made a mistake, and let's just say this guy didn't belong in here, all you have to do is drag him up to the ungrouped icon. Now he's ungrouped, and I can go up here and see there's where he is, and I can drag him into the appropriate team. Same thing here, if I look at that and go, oops, wrong thing, and I can drag him down here and put him into the appropriate team that way too. So there's some different ways you can move through this. Here's where I can click the plus sign to add an individual, one or two images if I needed to. I don't have any here that I can, but that's where I could add just one or two individuals. I can also delete one from here. I can sort them by basically numeric sequencing, and there's some filtering we can do. And this is the icon here that we can use to launch the external editor, Photoshop in this case, where I can come in, open up an image, do some light retouching to it, save it, and then click OK, and the actual thumbnail itself will be updated. I can double click on an image to bring it into a kind of a compare screen, and then click on the View High Res button in the lower left hand corner, and right click and hold that right click down, and then zoom in and reposition by the left click to take a look at eyes to be sure everything's good as far as the expression. Those instructions on how to do this are down here at the bottom. Now to go back to the Organize screen, just click on the Organize button in the lower right hand corner. Same thing if I want to compare two images. Select both of them, click on my Compare button. Shows me the two. Zoom into one on the left hand side, and the second one goes with it. But if I want to see the high res, which is better for this sort of a situation, I can do that. Okay, go back to Organ, and if I wanted to, double click on an image, and I can keep this image or send it to the recycle bin. So you can do editing within eZsports. Go back to your Organize screen, select an image. This is where I can rotate them. Okay, so you saw how we can navigate through our images like this. We can also click the drop down and go through baseball. So there's a couple of different ways to do that. You've got your ungrouped images. Everything's been grouped. your filtering tools up here. And that's basically it for building the team structure in the organized screen for eZsports.